There are many Web 2.0 tools that help differentiate instruction, and today we will focus on wikis. Wikis come from the Hawaiian word wiki, which means quick. Ward Cunningham created the first wiki in 1995. He wanted to create a web-based tool that would make it easy for people to publish and author. The most famous and best example of a wiki is Wikipedia. Anytime you type in a word, a person, a food, or anything of that nature on Google, the very first post is Wikipedia. Wikipedia is an attempt to present all of human knowledge for free, actually more accurate than many people might think. It has over 500,000 edits per day. So what are some of the basics when using wikis? Each wiki has a link for editing. All you have to do is click it and ta-da, you are ready to add, edit, and create content. There are some ground rules that should be set up for the students for using wikis. Like you want to teach your students about copyright issues and ethics. Give them reasons why you are creating this wiki and make it clear that wikis are for learning. And tell them all the benefits that they'll be gaining by using this tool. So why use wikis? You can use wikis to share information. You can collaborate with peers and people all across the world, and it allows you to connect with others. Wikis also facilitate participation in an easy to use online format. It's very student friendly, and you can access it anywhere where there's internet connection. And it allows us, most importantly, to differentiate the instruction in our classroom. What are some uses that teacher can use wikis? It helps us to organize our classroom. We can put everything in one place. All our lessons, all our announcements, everything can be at one central location. You can also place our content on there, such as projects. You can allow students to do peer reviews, student portfolios. You can do peer editing, share notes. You can also create virtual field trips, a class newspaper, and you can connect with parents on there. So parents can also be abreast of what is going on in your class. There are several sample wikis out there, and today we'll be looking at one in particular. We'll be looking at Mr. Tellis's wiki page. His page is mainly as his class website, where he has a link to student homework and spelling. He also has his announcements, where you have the blog of the week. He places all of his assignments. There are several sources for educational sites, and that's a great thing too. You can actually have your students leave their books at home and place all the links that they will need right there on your wiki page. And it also has teacher resources. So any teacher that decides to go on his page and find out what's going on or some of the tools that he uses in his classroom is right here. So wikis has several benefits for teachers. There are several sites out there where you can create your own wiki. You have Wiki Spaces, PB and WebPaint. These are all free for teachers that allows teachers to make a wiki that's ad free. You can get started with wikis by going to the link below, and they'll take you through a brief video in which they'll show you step by step as far as creating a wiki for your students. Some other helpful tools to help you along the way. Educational wikis aims to answer the question, how can I use wikis in education? Another site answer I'll give you more examples of educational wikis. Now it's your turn. How can you use wikis for teaching in your content area? How do wikis support differentiating instruction? And what are your questions and concerns about starting wikis with your students?